In this video, we're going to see how to check ETLs data flows via self-monitoring using a stacked analysis. Each BHCO and TSCO installation includes this self-monitoring domain, accessible by admin user, and inside this self-monitoring domain there is a business driver named datasourcesload. Inside this datasourcesload, there are various performance metrics representing the data flow coming from ETLs. The most relevant one for our purposes is this. This shows the amount of time series samples loaded by each data source, where each sub-resource inside this metric represents a different ETL. So let's try to add this data to quick analysis and make the output suitable for our purpose, so understanding if there is any data flow issue in any ETL. So to do this, we are gonna save the quick analysis and then edit its run configuration. We're gonna set a time filter of last 90 days, switch to time stacked area chart options, including a single chart. We are gonna change the legend for series so it's more representative. Given that the amount of ETLs might be really high, we are gonna choose the 10 or 15 ETLs loading more data and include the data coming from the other ETLs as other. The resolution for our analysis must be daily, so we will understand the data flow. Let's try to save the analysis and see the result and comment on them. As you can see, just by looking at this analysis, we can see which ETLs have the highest data flow. So, for example, this vCenter Austin and this domain extractor importer. And as you can see, something happened around Christmas when nobody was looking at the lab environment. There is a data flow problem. Okay, so most of the ETLs except the vCenter lost data. Okay, and there is this peak from business services ETL that most probably is just a spike coming from a spot data load. In this way, by checking daily this chart, you can understand if there is any anomaly in data load from any ETLs. Even the fact that this ETL sometimes has spikes and sometimes has peak might represent a problem. Maybe some of the vCenter hosts are not reporting data properly, so you would want to check this from time to time to understand how the data flow goes. The best way to do this daily is you can simply add this to the report card and create a self-monitoring report and save it. You can then edit its options, make it execute daily, sending a PDF file, and send the report via email to the administrator. You can then just run the report and we can see the result. This will also be executed daily and be sent via email to the BCO admin, of course. I put fake email here, you should put a correct email. Okay, the report has now been generated, we can check it. As you can see, it contains the same chart that we saw before. Thank you for watching and have a great day.